Struggling with complex navigation in SwiftUI? Discover how the coordinator pattern combined with MVVM and SwiftData can make your apps scalable and easy to manage. This is the app that we will create. The user is able to add a new contact to the SwiftData database by clicking on the Add button. The contact I will now add is Smith, that has an email address of smith@aol.com. Click on the Save Contact button and then click on View All Contacts, and you can see that Smith has been added to the database. We can also like a contact. So if I wanted to like Smith or add Smith as a favorite, just click on Smith, click on Edit Contact, and then click on the switch, click on Save Changes, go back. As you can see, Smith now has a star that relates to a like. We can also delete a contact from the database. So if I wanted to delete Smith, all I have to do is swipe, and now Smith has been removed from SwiftData database. I can search or filter the database. As you can see, I typed in F and it locates all the names or contacts that includes the letter F. Or if I type in E, it locates all the names that includes the letter E, such as Fred and John Doe. On the main screen, it also shows the amount of contacts in SwiftData. As you can see, at the moment, there's 3 contacts in the database, and it shows the amount of contacts. That includes a like. At the moment, it is 2. As you can see, there's 2 stars there. In this tutorial, we will create the contact row view. The purpose of this view is to enable each row element to be displayed within the contact list view that we will create in a later tutorial. Add a new SwiftUI file. Name the file contact row. We can delete the preview. After lines 10, enter the following: var contact. The purpose of lines 12 is to create a contact object to display the actual row information. Delete lines 15. Create a H-stack. Create a B-stack. Leading spacing 4 pixels. Within the B-stack, we need to add our text element to display the contact name. Add some styling for the headline of the contact name. Foreground color. Primary. And then we do the same thing for the phone number, contact phone. And this will be sub headline. Foreground color will be secondary. Add a spacer. And the next thing we need to do is to add an if statement, which will conditionally show the star favorite icon if the user has assigned the contact to be a favorite or not. So if the user has assigned the contact to be a favorite, then we will display star.fill. Foreground color yellow. Then we add some padding. Leading and trailing. With 16. So what that does, it adds horizontal padding to the row. We'll just compile it. In next week's tutorial, we will start to add the contact coordinator view that is responsible for coordinating the navigation between views. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.